this question. 1 explains to us that any law which is made by the parliament that infringes the fundamental rights of the citizens is invalid. Principle 2 says that it is the fundamental right of every citizen to not to receive any religious instruction in any education institution wholly maintained by the state's funds. Principle 3 explains to us that it is a fundamental right of every person attending any educational institution recognized by the state or receiving aid from the state not to take part in any religious instruction or religious worship. Principle 4 explains to us that any section of the citizens residing in the territory of India having a distinct script, culture or religious belief or language shall have a fundamental right to protect the same. Principle 5 lastly explains to us that every person has the right to move Supreme Court or High Court for the enforcement of fundamental right granted by the Constitution of India. The facts are, Bijoy was a child of Jehovah Witness community which believed in not submitting before any organized religion, state or market economy. It was against the religious practice of Jehovah Witnesses to salute national flag, sing national anthem or even join military service. In state of Kerala, All Saints Church ran a famous missionary school with 75% funding from the state government. One day during the assembly, school inspector caught Bijoy not singing the national anthem or saluting the flag. Bijoy was expelled from the school. Decide. Now assume that the state received 49% of state funding. The school received 49% of the state funding and had a course on ideals of Saint Augustine. Which of the statement would have been correct? Now, in this question, the correct answer will be B. That is, Bijoy shall be free not to participate in the class. Now the reason why B is the correct answer is, if we read the question properly, that is, since the schools receive 49% of the state funding in this particular case, they are free to impart religious instructions, right? But at the same time, if we read the principles, we get to know that Bijoy has a fundamental right not to take part in any religious instruction or worship which is imparted in the school. Hence, he is free not to participate in the class, right? Now, therefore, we have done is we have applied principle 3, and therefore applying the principle 3 to the given set of facts, we can say that here the correct answer is B. That is, Bijoy shall be free not to participate in the class. B is the correct answer.